Hey, what is up guys? It's BrickBetter11 here back at you with another railcar tutorial. Today we are making the updated version of my gondolas. If you remember, I made a Arkansas, Missouri gondola tutorial about just over a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years, I don't know. So this is what we're going to be building today. Future tutorials to come are going to be the Sand Bay Hopper and the Trinity Reefer Car, high top. So yeah. Let's get straight into this. So, first of all, you're going to take your black concrete, place 4 just like this. Okay? Now take your hoppers, place 1 on each wheel, just like this, and then place an iron trap door in between. So just like this. And now place a line of 5 stone slabs, just like this, and in the middle as well. Okay. Now take your another brick stairs, slab, not stairs, and just place 2 like that. And now we are going to bring this back by 18 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 blocks. Sorry about that, guys. So we're going to bring it back 19 blocks, and then place another brick right here and here, and then 4 black concrete, just like this. And then hoppers on each of them, of course, just like this, and then a iron trap door in the middle. Okay, now smooth stone slabs, just like that, and then build out the whole entire bottom of the car by 2 on each side, so that, yeah, you get what I mean. Just have it like this, so it's 5 across, just like that. Okay. Now, on the end, we are going to have 2 andesite stairs, polished andesite stairs. And then you're going to have to crouch to get these 2. Okay. Okay. And now, just bring this the whole way along. Bring it up by 2 again. We're actually going to break this one out and replace it with dark oak stairs as to make a ladder. And then have 3 black concrete right there for the logo. And now continue along with the andesite, just like that. So now the logo and stairs, the ladder is going to be on this side. It's just like that. And then bring this all the way along. If I can go in a straight line. Trust me, it's easier said than done. Okay. So now we're going to grab just polished andesite blocks, place 6 in a 2x3 like that on this side and on this side. Okay. And now just cover the top in gray carpet. Basically, if y'all remember my last tutorial on the gondola, it was just basically a small box with an open roof. So this time I've tried to give it a bit more character by using stairs to make the grooves and dinks and dents and everything that you would see on these gondolas, since they're normally used for scrap metal. So yeah. Okay. So now right here on these 3 we're just going to lift it up and then have iron bars in each corner, just like that. And do that on this side as well. And then finally add your couplers on both sides, and then final touch, add a trap door for the handbrake. And that is it, guys. That is how you build the that is how you build the updated gondola design. Hope all of you have enjoyed. If you have any rail car or locomotive designs that you want me to attempt or even build and make tutorials and videos on them, then share them in the comments below. So yeah, I always look at my comments, so put them down there. As usual, guys, this is High Brick Better Living signing off. See you later, guys, and goodbye.